Come here. Come here, Benjamin. Let mommy see you go. Come here. Come here. Come here, Benjamin. You want to see the doggy? Come here. Come here. You're only 5 months. Now everybody can see you walking in your walker. Come here, Benjamin. Come here. Come here to mommy. Come to mommy, Benjamin. Come here. You got Miss. Who is that, Mr. Hops you got? Is that Mr. Hop? You give Mr. Hop kisses? Come here, Ben. Come here. Come to mommy. Hi. Can I see Mr. Hop? I can. And there you are. There you are. Say hello. Can you wave? You're waving. Come here, wave. There you are. You're waving. There you are. Hi.
Dare you?
You want to wave? Can you say hi? Are you getting ready to clean up for mommy? You gonna do some cleaning up for mommy? You're so sweet. You're gonna clean up for mommy?
You know he washes dishes and stuff.
Yeah, you're gonna clean up the stuff? Huh, Benjamin? Are you gonna clean up for mommy? What are you looking at, huh? You gonna move yourself back when I push you away? Benjamin, say hi. You gonna say hi? Benjamin. Benjamin. Say hi. 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 Is that the hi you want to say to everybody? Hi. Say hi. Hi, Ben. Say hi to everyone. Say hi. Say hi, Ben. Benjamin. Benjamin. Yum yum. Bananas. You don't want any bananas? Not today? That's a no-no. Let's see, we have to get the plugs to stick in there, huh? Yum yum. Bananas. Yum yum.
Good man. Good man.
Your favorite, Benjamin? Yum yum. Bananas, Benjamin's favorite.
You hungry?
You sure everybody you love bananas? You try to bite it too. Yum yum. Good banana. My favorite. Oh, you eating the peel because you can't get the... Oh, Benjamin.
So get my picture now.